Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. Today's video, we're traveling to Hong Kong. I want to take you guys through what is in our luggage as a travel creator, what type of gadget I take on holiday, and also what we taking on holiday. Pack with us. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. While you're watching the video, consider liking the video and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. You subscribing, sharing the content and commenting will help us grow as a channel. If you enjoy this amazing content with us, stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing out there. Welcome to the vlog. Guys, welcome to our travel vlog. In this video, I want to take the moment to show you guys what I take with me when I travel. So it's a pack with me video. As a travel content creator, I try to be a bit minimalist and a bit off there. So minimalist on the clothing, then gadgets. I don't know whether it's minimalist or not. So I want to show you guys what we're taking to travel with us. We're going to Asia. It's a big travel. We paused this travel during the pandemic, but we finally going to Asia. Guys, this is a big travel. You know, I haven't been to Asia before. JA been to Asia so many times, but as a Ghanaian, I have so many troubles getting the visa for this country, but I no longer need a visa because of the passport I'm holding at the moment. Guys, amazing video, but I want to show you guys what we're packing, what is in the bag, what I'm taking, what my gadgets, my cameras, my gears. You know, look on the video, look, I'm testing gadgets, what I need to shoot to give you guys the best content ever. Guys, stay along. It's going to be a bit of a content, so stay along. Let me show you guys what I'm taking for this journey. All right, let's get in. So in this video, guys, I'm taking 3 cameras: my Sony, my DJI, and my GoPro. Those are the 3 cameras I'm taking with me, and a few accessories. Stay along, let me show you guys the accessories I'm taking, why I'm taking them. Right, guys, stay tuned. Well, guys, so if you see here, I have my Sony camera, I have my DJI, and also have my GoPro. So these 3 cameras are very, very important for my travel. So the DJI, I'll definitely use it for most of the restaurant, because all that my research so far, most of the restaurants are crowded. So I need something very, very agile, very small, and that's very discreet, that can get the content I want, at the same time have the quality in low light. With my Sony, because of the quality, I'll probably use it for most of my B-rolls, my sit-down videos, and pictures, and also, yeah, most of my quality content. You know, yeah, I'll use my Sony like when we're going to all these scenic places where you need the quality to be extra crispy. I'll use my Sony, because you can't go wrong with the Sony 7 AC. I mean, A7C is one of the top cameras in the market at the moment, so I'm definitely going with that when I want my best shot. For example, if you're going to the Peak or going to Temple Street Market or Mongkok, I want to make sure I get the best quality crispy content for you guys. And also, you know, I love doing a lot of flight reviews, the airport, because of low light, the Sony is superior in the low light. So guys, yeah, and my GoPro is like every day my street vlog. You know, the quality is good when it's raining, because the weather is forecast to be raining most of the time. So most of the day I'll be using a GoPro, because when it rains, I know I'm protected. I don't have any worries. I know I can change the settings and get you guys the quality of the content. Yeah, I mean, I can get you guys the content that you always deserve. Better and raw. Yeah, so guys, 3 cameras, Sony 7AC, DJI Pocket 2 and GoPro 9 Hero. Yeah, 3 cameras. Well, stay tuned. Let me give you guys the accessories that I'm taking with these cameras. So if you guys notice, I have 3 cameras: Sony 7AC, DJI Pocket 2, and also GoPro. So all these need to be charged because sometimes when you're out, especially when you're traveling, you do a lot. You're out for the whole day, so you need to make sure you have a lot of power. So what do? I have cables, that's a charging cable, and I have a power bank, and I have a power bank that can charge my extra battery while I'm filming, and also I also have a power bank that can charge my DJI Pocket 2, and also I have a power bank that can be charging my GoPro batteries while I'm filming, while I'm doing all these street walking videos, because the GoPro is so good. It can last, the quality is amazing, especially when it's raining, and when you're doing all these short time lapse, the battery drains so quickly. So I have a battery charging point where, you know, I have this cable that can charge the GoPro, the power bank, and the camera at the same time. So let's say if you're having a food or we're having a coffee where we're spending 1 hour just chilling or relaxing somewhere, all these gadgets are being charged. Yeah, it's very, very essential that you have these cables with you. And when I return back to the hotel, I have my 36 watts plug that allow me to charge these gadgets quickly. So what it does, it transfers the power to the gadgets quickly. So for example, if I'm charging my batteries, instead of taking 1 hour to charge them, this will take about 30 minutes. And also if I'm charging my iPhone, the 36 watts transfer the power a little bit quicker. So when you're buying your gadgets, guys, make sure you buy them according to what you do, because, you know, before I didn't know, I just buy anything, and I noticed when I travel, it doesn't work in some parts of the world. Sometimes it takes longer time to charge, and then I end up losing a lot of content. Then yeah, so guys, these are my very essential cables that I use, and that's I'm taking with me. And I also have a backup. I have 2 iPhone charging cables, one for JA and one for me. One for the iPad, because the iPad require a very high quality one. I noticed it doesn't work most of the fake ones, so I'm using the original iPhone charger with my 36 watt plug. Let's continue. Now the next bit is going to be what we have in the bag. How many luggages we taking to this Asian country. So stay tuned, guys. Right, so guys, this part of the video is what we have in the bag. So we have clothing for each and every day, and then extra clothing for each and every day. So what I mean by each and every day, so for example, what's your outfit for the day? So we pack using these boxes you can see in the luggage. So every items you see here have a day. So for example, Monday, I know what I'm going to wear in the morning or all day. Then in the afternoon or in the evening, when we decide to go out, I have a backup. And I also have a surplus, like let's say I just want to go get a drink or water or something in 7-Eleven, I'll just put my shorts or my surplus on. So these are the stuff in these boxes that you can see here. Unlike JA actually have labeling on the luggages, like what she's going to wear or what's in each of these single boxes. Well, I use somebody who labeled everything. If you are, please do let me know. I do not, because I just pack and I know exactly what I have in my boxes. Sometimes the weather might look different and I need to look vibrant, so I just put what's out there, but I make sure each day have a certain outfit so that I don't overpack or I don't underpack. Because when you travel, sometimes you purchase items. I love shopping when I travel abroad. So yeah, so that's what's in the bag, you know. And also the next thing I'm going to discuss with you, what's in our handbag, because we are allowed a luggage and a 2 handbag. So next topic, let's discuss about what's in our handbag, or what's in my handbag. Another tip coming, watch to the end of the video because I'm going to reveal which hotel we stay in. So make sure you keep watching. It's very, very important because this hotel is amazing. It's in a nice location. So stay tuned and I'll reveal that, you know, at the end of the video. Alright, so guys, we're about to end our video. So what do I have in my hand luggage? So I have shoes, clothing that just in case the luggage got delayed or lost, at least we'll be in the country with clothes. Even though we have insurance with American Express, we try to get a bit of clothing, like 3 pairs or 3 sets of outfits in hand luggage. And I also have my laptop with me, and also my laptop charger, my iPhone charger. Yeah, those gadgets are very, very important. And I also have my external drive. The external drive, that's where I keep most of the data on. And also if I'm working on a plane or editing a video or sending the data, I use my external drive. And also I have a bit of gadgets around, like transferring data from memory card to the laptop, you know, those kind of gadgets with me. And I also have toiletries, so for example deodorant, aftershaves. Yeah, because when you do transit, sometimes you get sweaty, you get tired, and sometimes you need to refresh. Some airports have a shower, so you can probably use the washroom, and that's where the aftershave comes in. Imagine if you have a shower, you need aftershave. You don't want to be smelly on the plane. Well guys, that's what's in a hand luggage. What do you have in your hand luggage? Please do let me know. Well, if you did enjoy this video and you enjoy content like this, please do let me know in the comment section, because I love doing this kind of content, and it's try. Yeah, if you like it, I'll keep doing it. Thank you so much. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. This boxes, we bought this from Shine, and you can see this here, there's the labeling in there. So Jay actually got everything that's listed in this bit. Unlike here, my stuff, I know exactly what I have in, because I have a set of clothing that I'm going to wear for a day. And then here we have toiletries and bits of bobs. You can see there again, Jay have labeling to know exactly what's in there, what she's going to wear for each and every day. Well, let's go to the next luggage. Right, luggage number 2. Well, we have sandals there. You can see it's going to be very, very hot, and Jay definitely have the labeling going on again. Guys, I recommend you do this because you know exactly what you have in your luggage, and kind of help you, you know, see what you can wear for each and every day. And also, just in case if the luggage got lost, you have idea what's in there. Well, that's the other side of the luggage. And this side, this is my section. You can see everything is all packed nicely. You can see here I have my stuff in there without any label, because I know exactly what I've packed. And each of these items have a day. Like for example, tomorrow I could be wearing a very bright shirt because we're just mooching around the shops and taking ding and stuff. Yeah, so guys, if you're somebody who pack like this, please do let us know in the comment section. I think all the luggage is down now. I'll definitely show you guys the other cameras and all that stuff that I'm taking or be taking with us. Jay is definitely taking the Canon for some photography. So I'll definitely show you guys what we got. Thank you so much for watching this so far. Drop us your comments. Do you park like this? You know, what's your next destination? Wow, I'll definitely be swimming here tomorrow. So yeah, so this is how the octopus card look like. This card. Alright, so guys, yeah, so today was really amazing. After we got to the hotel, the process was smooth. You know, the amazing thing is we couldn't get cash, so we have to pay